Here's a 2-pack of wrist guards, and look how nice these are. Now, the reason why I purchased it is because it's a 2-pack, and it even shows you right and left. And it also has reinforced stitching throughout, which I really like. Now, it's very simple to put on, so let me show you how easy it is to wear. So you slip this on like this with this small side towards your palm of your hand. Then you're gonna wrap it around. This is where the first Velcro goes. And then you attach it to your snug fitting on the other side. And that is how simple it is to use. Now, let me show you how easy it is to put on the left one. So you put your hand right here, you wrap this around, just like that, and then it wraps like that to your liking. Definitely recommend this. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.